Hello there. This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American consonant sound as in the word map. You can also hear this sound in words like make, room, smile, or email. We'll be using a special phonetic symbol, for this sound. The sound exists in almost every language in the world, and that's good news if you're learning American pronunciation. But there's also some news that's not so good. There are many languages where this sound is pronounced differently, and it can be hard to catch these differences and improve your pronunciation. But don't worry, that's exactly what we'll be doing in this video. So let's see how Americans pronounce the sound. To make the sound correctly, focus on passing the air through your nose. Let's take a closer look at how to do that. First, press your lips together. Next, keep your lips closed to stop the air from escaping from your mouth and direct it into your nose. If you make this sound correctly, you should be able to stretch out this sound, like this. Now, let's try saying it. Here are a few typical mistakes people make when they pronounce the sound. Number 1. Some people pronounce the with their mouth open, especially when it's at the end of a word. If you make the M this way, the air will pass through your mouth. This is okay in certain languages, but the American should be pronounced with your lips pressed together to direct the air through your nose, like this. Number 2. This problem is pretty common. Many foreign speakers don't pronounce the at the end of words. That's not how English works. Remember, in English the M is always pronounced, no matter where it's found in a word. If you drop it, you may end up saying a completely different word. Compare. Game, gay. Claim, clay. How do you fix this? Practice adding the M at the end of words, like this. Clay, claim. Number 3. This is another common problem. It's best to explain it with an example. Take a look at the word home. In this word, the follows a vowel sound. O. In words like these, some people may distort the vowel by pronouncing it through the nose. This happens if you pass the air through your nose too early, before making the sound. How do you fix this? Just like the previous problem. Practice pronouncing words this way. Blue, bloom. Watch your vowels. Number 4. Finally, some people confuse the nasal sounds. The the n, and the n. Guess what happens? Correct. It can change the meaning of the words. Compare. Ram, ran, rang. 3 absolutely different words. We hope that these problems have nothing to do with your pronunciation. Still, just in case, we prepared a few exercises, as we always do. This is how it works. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation. Like this.
Mall.
You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word. Repeat each word after the speaker, and try to go through as many words as possible. Remember, this is the most important part of the whole lesson. Let's start with the at the beginning of words.
Mark. Mask. Math. Meal. Meat. Miss. Mix. Mood. Mop. More. Move. Much. Mug. Must.
Let's pause for a second. The next 15 words have the sound following a vowel. Remember how to pronounce such words? Correct. Focus on the and watch your vowels. Let's continue practicing.
Aim. Blame. Claim. Climb. Comb. Crime. Dime. Flame. Frame. Home. Prime. Rhyme. Same. Shame. Time.
Good job so far. The next words are tricky. Don't confuse the with the other nasal sounds, or you'll get a different word. By the way, can you guess what word it would be? Let's get back to the practice.
Beam. Bum. Came. Dumb. Foam. Game. Gum. Ham. Hum. Lame. Lime. Scream. Seam. Skim. Slam. Some. Swim. Term. Them. Warm.
You're done. Congratulations. It's kind of cool that the sound is always spelled with the letter M, except for the cases when it's spelled with two M's, like in the word comment, for example. Needless to say that we love this word as much as we love your comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.